wear when you're over 50 is anything short. Now this isn't a super short skirt, but it is well above the knee, but it's comfortable. I think the cotton polo shirt type dress is quite flattering for most body shapes and styles. I think it looks good, it feels comfortable. About £6 I think this one was. It's one of my favourites. But I don't think there's anything wrong with wearing a slightly shorter dress. Why not? If it's not really windy, that's okay. Now I've worn this one a couple of times in Benidorm on a cooler evening. I've got it with trainers today, but you could easily wear it with a nice little black court shoe, something like that, if you wanted it to look a little bit more dressed up. And you can pop a bit of jewellery on. But I like it as a quite casual option. It's again cotton, it's ribbed, and I think the flared shape is quite flattering for pretty much anybody. Again, I think I paid about £6 for it. Total bargain top. I know, don't be scared. It's not very cropped. It's just a short t-shirt. It's not right up here. It's, you know, just a little bit. Now this set I bought in 2 colours from Shein. I think I paid about £11 for this set. It's wash and wear, really easy to launder, very good quality pockets, and the only thing I would say about it is I did have to take up the legs of the trousers because they were for someone who's about 6'2". If you're very tall, if you're lucky enough to have really long legs, get a set like this. But I just took it up with that Wonderweb stuff and it works fine. Really good with trainers, excellent day-to-day outfit, wear it anywhere. But I don't think the crop tops are bad. It's comfortable, I like it, and I think it can be quite defining, give you definition, you know, it's quite a good silhouette. Okay, so the crop top situation again. Honestly though, these ones I got a pack of 2, £7.50 for 2, really soft, lovely cotton. And because they're quite fitted, again, a lovely silhouette. So that's quite a nice feature. But I'm doing a double whammy this time because I haven't just got the crop top, I've also got jeans. And a lot of over 50 women are a little bit about jeans. But these ones, I'm over skinny jeans at the minute. Nice kind of boyfriend fit. Really loose. Excellent fabric. I think I paid £11 for these. I love them. They're so comfortable. And they go with so many things. Forgive the wrinkles. I've literally just taken this one out of the bag. But I think this is quite an exciting piece, because it's really airy and light. It has pockets and it has this lovely ruched fabric. So if you're on holiday, you can walk around during the day without any foundation garments and feel reasonably comfortable, I think. I've got it on with trainers, but I think you could easily put it on with a pair of nice platform sandals and go from daytime to evening. So it's a nice multi-purpose thing and it's really comfy. I love this blue colour. It's very Greek summer. Should have mentioned price. £7.50, £8, something like that. Not far off. You know how it is with Shein, you start off with one price and by the time you get to the checkout they've taken a discount off. But I think this comes in loads of colours and I think I'll probably get more. This is a bit different for me. I've got this as an evening outfit and I normally like a dress. I like a pretty dress or a cocktail dress, something like that. But I thought, why not go for the all-in-one trouser suit thing? And I think this one actually really does cut it for evenings. The colour's really vibrant, comes in loads of other colours. I think it was about £8. Really, really inexpensive. Fabulous quality. It's got a bit of stretch. It's even got pockets. I love pockets in things. But it's quite unusual to get pockets in an evening outfit. And I suppose you could dress it down. You could put trainers on and wear a little jacket and have it on during the day. But I think it's quite dressy. I think it's quite nice for an evening. It's very comfortable. And don't worry about if you need to run to the loo because it's very stretchy. It just comes straight off. So no issues. So to recap, everything I bought and shown you today is from Shein. Everything is stunning quality. And obviously it pays you money and takes your choice. But I think everything I've got today has been lovely. The returns policy is really good. So if you didn't like anything, you could send it back so easily. But everything I've got, I'm very impressed with. I'm impressed with the material, with the quality, the cut, the design. And everything I've tried on today has come in under £60.